Hi, Mark from Sounds and Music here, and welcome to lesson 2 of our beginner piano course. Now in lesson 1 we learnt where middle C was, we learnt how to play the notes, we learnt a couple of little melodies using the notes C and D with middle C and B to the left of it, and then using E, D and C as well. Today we're going to play 5 notes with each hand, and we're going to learn what those notes are, and we'll play some little melodies with all 5 fingers. A couple of melodies with the right hand and a melody with the left hand. We're going to learn some little finger exercises in this lesson, which is going to help us get our fingers used to the motions we have to use for playing the piano. Now, because we press the keys of the piano with our thumbs and our fingers, each one of those is numbered so that we know which one we're supposed to use when we see the music. We know which one we're supposed to use, and it'll make playing so much easier. So each of our thumbs, they are number 1. Thumb on the right hand, thumb on the left hand, they're both number 1. Then our index fingers are number 2, our middle fingers are number 3, our ring fingers are number 4, and our little finger is number 5 on both hands. And if we put our thumbs on middle C, so we'll put our right hand thumb to start with on middle C, and we spread our other 4 fingers along the 4 notes next to middle C, so we have 5 notes covered by our 5 fingers, and we play each one in turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And notice that I hold each note until I press with the next finger, so that I get a nice clean sound and a sound that the tune doesn't stop sounding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it's also important actually to have your fingers curled round and bent, and with the tips of the fingers touching the notes. And if you keep your fingers like that, then you can just press them. And it's a little bit easier to press. Now we do the same with the left hand, so we're going to have our number 1, our thumb on middle C, and then we're going to go left, so we're getting lower, and we're going to go thumb 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, keeping your fingers nice and bent so that it's easier to press the notes. So in our last lesson we learnt middle C with the right hand, then playing D, the next note up with our second finger, and E, the next note up with our third finger. We're going to carry that on now, and we're going to use our 4th finger to play the next note in the scale, or the next letter in the alphabet, which is F. Comes after E, so F, and F is the note to the left of the 3 black notes. So as soon as we find 3 black notes, we have F, and after that with our little finger we're going to play the next note up in the scale, which is the next letter in the alphabet, which is G. So we have 1 on middle C, 2 on D, 3 on E, 4 on F, and 5 on G. C, D, E, F, G. And going down the piano in the left hand, going to the left from middle C, we have the middle C. We learnt that the next note down, the note to the left of that, with our second finger on the left hand, is B. And that's the letter before C in the alphabet. So the next note down is also going to be the letter before B, which is going to be A. So we have middle C with the thumb, B with the second finger, and A with the third finger. And now it gets a little bit more complicated because A is the first letter of the alphabet. We don't have a letter before A in the alphabet. So we repeat the alphabet going further down, and we go to the G. So the note before A in music is G, because the alphabet repeats itself. Once it gets to G, it goes to A straight after. So the note before A is G, and we're going to use our fourth finger to play the G there on the left hand. So we have C, middle C with the thumb, B with the second finger, A with the third finger, and G with the fourth finger. And now we go back to the letter before G, which is F. So the letter before G, we have F with our little finger. So we have C, B, A, G, F. 1 on C, middle C, 2 on B, 3 on A, 4 on G, and 5 on F. So the first exercise we're going to do is simply playing fingers 1 to 5 and then back down to 1 again. So with our right hand first, thumb on middle C, 1 on middle C, we'll play 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Remember to hold each note down until you play the next note and release it as you play the next note. So you get what we call a legato sound, which means the notes flow into each other. We can then do the same with our left hand. So we'll left hand thumb, 1 on middle C, and we're going to be playing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, going down and back up to 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Another exercise we can do is thumb, 3, 5, 3, thumb. So with the right hand we'll have thumb or 1 on middle C, then 3 on the E, 5 with the G, back to 3 on the E, and finish on 1 on the middle C. So that'll play C, E, G, E, C. 1, 3, 5, 3, 1. And do the same with the left hand. So 1 on middle C, 3 on the A, 5 on the F, back to 3 on the A, and back to middle C with 1. C, A, F, A, C, or 1, 3, 5, 3, 1. Another exercise will be to play what we call thirds. So you'll play with the thumb on middle C, right hand first. We'll play thumb on middle C. We're going to jump over our second and play our third finger or third note. So we're going to play middle C, jump over the D with our second, and play the E with our third. So we have, then we'll step back and play the D. We'll jump over our third finger and play the fourth finger. Then we'll play the E, jump over the fourth and play the fifth. And then we'll play the fourth, jump over the third, play the third, jump over the second, and finish on 1. So that goes like this. Thumb, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 4, 2, 3, 1. Again. 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 4, 2, 3, 1. Do exactly the same with the left hand. 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 4, 2, 3, 1. Again. again. 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 4, 2, 3, 1. And the last finger exercise to do is a bit harder. You have to play 2 notes at once. So we start by playing middle C and E with our first and third of our right hand. Play them both together. Then you're going to use 2 and 4 to press the D and the F. And then you'll use 3 and 5 to press the E and the G. Back to the D and the F with 2 and 4. And back to middle C and E with the thumb and third fingers. So it's thumb and third, 2 and 4th, 3 and 5, 2 and 4, 1 and 3. C and E, D and F, E and G, D and F, C and E. And you can do the same thing with the left hand. So that's thumb and 3 on middle C and A. 2 and 4 plays the B and the G. 3 and 5 play the A and the F. Back to 2 and 4 on the B and the G. And thumb and third on the middle C and A. 1 and 3, 2 and 4, 3 and 5, 2 and 4, 1 and 3, C and A, B and G, A and F, B and G, C and A. So we're going to play a little melody with 5 fingers. We're going to play I'll do that again. 1, 3, 4, 5. And again 1, 3, 4, 5. Then 3, then 1, then 3, then 2. Then 3 twice. Then 2, then 1, then 3, 5, 5, 4, 4, 3, 4, 5, 3, 1, 2, 1. And now we're going to play a melody with the left hand. So we're going to put our middle thumb on middle C there. Spread our fingers 2, 3, 4 and 5 on the next 4 notes going down to the left. 2 is on B, 3 is on A, 4 is on G and 5 is on the F. And we're actually going to start on the G with our 4th finger. So we're going to play G twice and then A and then B. So 4, 4, 3, 2. I'll show you that again. And then we do that again. 4, 4, 3, 2. Now we're going to play 2, 1, 2, 3. 2, 1, 2, 3. 3 twice more. Then 2, 3, 4. So we have a little melody that goes like this. 4, 4, 3, 2, 2, 2. 4, 4, 3, 2. 2, 1, 2, 3. 3, 3, 2, 3, 4. Now if you've practiced those finger exercises that I've shown you, we can play another melody with our right hand using all 5 fingers. We're going to start on the G with our little finger. And we're going to play 5, 3, 3. So that's G, E, E. Like that. Then we'll play with our 4th finger on the F, and then we'll play with our 2nd finger twice on the D, and it will go 4, 2, 2, or F, D, D. So we have 5, 3, 3, 4, 2, 2, and then the next bit we play in sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we play the 5 3 times. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5. Or C, D, E, F, G, G, G. So all of that together, 5, 3, 3, 4, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5. Then we do very similar again, 5, 3, 3, 4, 2, 2. This time we're going to play 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5, 5, 1. So that last little bit, C, E, G, G, and back to C with our 1. So all of that together, 5, 3, 3, 4, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 3, 3, 4, 2, 2, 1, 3, 5, 5, 1. The next little bit we're going to play 2. We play that 2, 2, 2, 2, so we play it 4 times, and then 3, 4, like this. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, going up. D, 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 E, F. And then we do the same pattern, but this time starting on our 3rd finger on E, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 5. Or E, 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 F, G. And then we play the second half of the first bit that we did earlier. 5, 3, 3, 4, 2, 2, 1, 3, 5, 5, and finish on 1. So now I'll play all of that through together, and hopefully you can play along with it. 5, 3, 3, 4, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 3, 3, 4, 2, 2, 1, 3, 5, 5, 1. Now the 2, 4 times, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 3, 3, 4, 2, 2, 1, 3, 5, 5, 1. So I hope you've been able to understand and have a go at everything we've done here in lesson 2, particularly those finger exercises, because as you saw with one of those melodies, the finger exercises really help us to get the melody as smooth as possible and our fingers doing the things we want them to do. And I hope you'll come back for lesson 3 when we'll learn even more about playing the piano.